Hi, my name is James Morgan. My YouTube channel is Captain J Morgan. I just want to make a real brief video before I head out to work. Um, for all you apes and people that are out there holding the stock, I just want to say I'm right there with you. Been holding for about a year. Um, just want to provide maybe some encouragement. Again, this is just my opinion, but I still think that this is the same reason that I got involved with this stock originally. That's the same reason that I'm still involved with it, and I think I'm sitting at an even better place than I was when I originally got involved. I understand the stock market more now. Um, I think a lot of more people are involved in AMC stock now that understand it, um, and that's institutional buying also. But I think most of the people out there that hold it are the retail stock investors or us apes, and I think we understand what we're in. At least I think I do, and maybe some encouraging a message would be also that it was almost a year ago that I got involved. I did not know exactly what I was getting involved in at the time. I knew I knew AMC was a theater chain, of course, but I did not really understand about the significance or the ramifications, so to speak, of squeeze or um, the what was involved in that. I didn't know the details of all the shorting that was going on and how the market manipulation and everything was out there as far as in the stock market, and especially pertaining to AMC stocks. So I learned a lot, and the more that I learned, the more I thought, I think I am in or have a chance at the stock going up and in a good play here. So since then, AMC has just gotten a stronger company. At the time, the company was not financially in a good place. Since then, it is in a much better place. Also, as far as going to theaters, much better. Pandemic is even though it's still around, it's still a lot better as far as people getting out, moving around. Uh, and I think the retail stock investors and the apes, at least I do, understand what is going on and exactly the reasons that we are holding or whatever if you're holding or playing this or trading daily in the stock, but whatever the reasons or whatever you're doing with the stock, I think the shareholders understand more of what's going on with the company and with the stock. And so I hope to do a video soon on how I got involved with the stock, chronicling especially the first few months that I got involved with the stock, because again, I didn't know what I'd really gotten into. Almost immediately when I got into it, the stock started plummeting from where I got into it. And then I had to make a decision. Do I go ahead and dollar cost average down? Would I get out of it? And thank goodness, or at least I think it was good that I went ahead and did some due diligence or did some research. And not only did I stay in the stock, but I bought as much of it as I could as it dropped. That's another reason that I'm doing this brief video, is because, again, it was about this time last year, close to it, and the pricing was close to it also. And the stock was actually not stable at all, because it was going down. And so for you guys that have a position now and are worried, maybe that'll be some encouragement, because I stayed in it, and not only did I stay in it, I bought more when I could. And you I think all of us know what happened. By June of last year, which was a few months later, um, it took a run and it had a real good shot, I think, of starting to squeeze. But there was a lot of factors and a lot of outside influence that kept it from it. But I think we're a lot stronger, or the company is, and also the stock is, in the positioning of it now. That next time that happens, we'll probably run more and squeeze better. Um, but also, I have learned. If I had to go back, I would probably, as far as buying the stock, I think I did fine. But some of my strategies on getting out of it, or maybe uh, trading it, I would do different. I don't know, but I do have a plan, a better plan, I think now. That's how you learn. Have a better plan for when it starts running this next time, which I believe it is. Uh, Again, I do believe it. I mean, I was pushing almost $2 million last year, and I still have my stock. So, and I think we're in a much better position now. So, uh, and maybe this again will be a little bit of encouragement. It was I did not know what I know now about the stock. Still stayed in it. The stock was starting to. It was very volatile. The markets were volatile too, like they are now. Probably not as bad as they are now, but that's actually a good catalyst, I believe, for especially for AMC stock to rise. So, uh, and I bought it while it was when it was dipping. So hopefully, I'm not. It's just my opinion, my advice. I'm not telling you guys to buy it or not to get out of it, or not to hodl the stock. But I did, and I was in a good position last year. Like I said, my my portfolio was showing in just AMC stock almost $2 million. Now it shows a lot less now, but yeah, I think it is still a good play. Probably the stock is in a better position than it was last year at this time, and so I just see an upside. Now there's a lot of factors that can get in the way. We can't. None of us can control the manipulation and the corruption and everything that goes on, but um, still the same market. I mean, still the stock market, and still have all the same shenanigans that are going on. And I think we're going to have an opportunity again um, when this starts running. So, and I think the stock is in a much better position in every way possible. So so that's it. All right. You can email me at captainjmorgan2021@gmail.com. There has been, over the last few weeks, or last week, I'm sorry, that I've started videos again. There's been some emails come in, so I've tried to answer, and I'll get to all of them by probably by later today. So if I haven't gotten to you yet, and there's not that many, but I want to get to everybody, especially since there's not that many out there. Just hang in there, and I will. And ask me any questions, or that's it. All right. Thank you very much, Captain J. Morgan, out, and I'll talk to you guys. Probably I'll try to make another video this afternoon or this evening. Thanks.